How to find Facebook Marketplace message in Messenger. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to find Facebook Marketplace messages in Messenger. So before we move on, make sure to update the Messenger app. So go to your respective app store and on the search bar, type in Messenger. And when you locate Messenger, you simply want to make sure to click on the update button if you see so. After completely updating the app, go to the open button and open up your application. So now then, what you need is simply click on the menu bar from the bottom of the page. And then in the menu section, you could find a lot of options, and right in between, there is an option as Marketplace. So this is basically where you could locate the Facebook Marketplace message in Messenger. Now there, you could just go ahead and click open this up, and this is how you'll be able to locate the Facebook Marketplace messages. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.